This is the LED linear high bay. They also have different kind of configurations that you can choose that suits your needs. And today we are going to use this particular light, which is the LED linear high bay. And because we are in the garage, it also comes with a companion. And the companion is the one that we are going to use when I am going to pull in the car, because there is also something I need to work on the car, and you will see how practical that is to use it, combining this one and the auxiliary lights that we are going to use, because it is portable. The auxiliary lights we are going to put in, it's portable. All right, so what's in the box? Okay, so when you order the light, this is the linear high bay, link in the description. Click the link in the description because that's the one you would want to use, no other link, because people may show you different places to go buy it, but those ones are fake. This is the real one. When you get on the box, it comes with this one here. Okay, this light, it looks small, but it's really bright. So this one operates between 120 and 220 volts. All right, and it is 130 watt. And the temperature, the color temperature is 5000 Kelvin. And you have the mounting, I will call it the mounting wire. All right, and I am going to open it right away because we are about to use it anyway. So let me open it for you. Now, this one you connect it directly to your source. You have the ground and you have the one which is the live and neutral. Okay, so let me now show you how to mount this. So you get these wires that I showed you. You get this here like this. And the last one. Good. All right, we have this one set and we are going to mount it. And I'll get this part. I drop it inside. Oh, this is already looking good. This is already looking good. All right, this is good. This is good. And now I'll get this guy and I'll go ahead and turn it on like this. This is perfect. This is perfect. All right, we finished installing the lights. You can see how bright it is. This is the only one you need. The space, as I mentioned earlier, this space is 20 by 20, and boy, look at it. It's really bright, and man, I couldn't be happier having this in my garage. So use the link in the description. This is the only link you can get, so that you can also get a discount using the link that I'm providing you. Boy, this really nice upgrade to your garage. If you want to, it's up to you, but one is really the only thing you need. And the brand is called JC-LGL. That's the only brand you need to go look at. There is no other brand. Just go use the link in the description that I provided. That is where you can get this one. look at this. Look at how bright it is. You know, I can literally work on the car without needing another light, but again, there are some spots which are not visible because now we have the car. There are certain spots which will not be visible to us.